Welcome to this car show showcase, where classic cars, muscle cars, and custom builds come together in one place. This video takes you through a wide range of vehicles spanning decades of automotive history, each one reflecting a unique era of design, performance, and craftsmanship. As you watch, pay attention to the details, the styling, and the personality that make each vehicle stand out on the show floor. We begin with a 2006 Chevy SSR, a modern classic that blends retro truck styling with contemporary engineering. Its bold curves, aggressive front end, and low stance immediately set it apart from traditional pickups. The retractable hardtop adds a unique twist, giving it the feel of both a cruiser and a performance vehicle. It's a truck designed as much for style and presence as it is for driving enjoyment. Next is a 1926 Ford Roadster, representing the very foundation of hot rodding. Lightweight and stripped down, this car reflects a time when creativity and mechanical simplicity mattered more than comfort. Early builds like this focused on speed, handling, and personal expression. Vehicles like this laid the groundwork for generations of custom car culture. Following that is a 1932 Ford Coupe, often referred to as the holy grail of hot rods. Its timeless proportions and iconic grille have made it one of the most sought-after classics ever built. The 32 Ford became the standard by which many hot rods are measured. Even decades later, it remains a benchmark for traditional hot rod design. We then move to a 1935 Ford Coupe, where automotive styling began shifting towards smoother and more refined lines. This model shows the transition from raw early builds to more elegant, streamlined designs. It balances classic hot rod character with the evolving aesthetics of the mid-1930s. Cars like this highlight how design matured while still retaining personality. Next up is a 1937 Ford pickup truck, originally built to work hard on farms and job sites. Over time, trucks like this have been restored and reimagined as show-quality classics. Its tall stance, rounded fenders, and rugged construction give it unmistakable presence. Today, it stands as rolling history, blending utility with timeless style. Following that is a 1948 Ford F1 pickup, one of the most recognizable early trucks ever produced. Its bold grille and solid proportions helped define what a pickup truck should look like. The F1 marked the beginning of Ford's legendary truck lineage. Restored examples like this continue to be favorites at car shows across the country. We then arrive at a 1949 Chevy Skyline, marking a major shift into post-war automotive design. Smoother curves and a more modern profile signaled a fresh new era for American cars. This model reflects optimism and innovation following World War II. It represents the bridge between classic pre-war styling and modern automotive design. The 1950s are introduced with a 1956 Chevy Bel Air, instantly recognizable for its chrome accents and classic silhouette. This car perfectly captures the optimism, color, and style of its decade. With bold trim and distinctive lines, the Bel Air became an icon of American automotive culture. It remains one of the most celebrated classics of all time. Alongside it is a 1956 Chevy station wagon, blending mid-century styling with everyday practicality. Once a staple of American family life, wagons like this carried everything from groceries to road trip memories. Today, they stand as nostalgic reminders of a different era. Restored versions like this combine function with timeless design. As performance takes center stage, the 1965 Pontiac GTO appears, widely regarded as the first true muscle car. By placing a powerful engine into a mid-size body, it ignited a horsepower revolution. The GTO changed how manufacturers approached performance. Its influence is still felt today. Next is a 1967 Mustang Shelby GT500 convertible, representing peak muscle-era engineering. With aggressive styling and serious power, it delivered both performance and presence. The open-top design adds excitement and rarity. This car remains highly sought after by collectors. The 1967 Ford Mustang follows, a car that defined an entire generation. Its balanced design, strong performance options, and accessibility made it wildly popular. The Mustang became a cultural icon almost overnight. Its legacy continues to this day, we then see a 1967 Pontiac Firebird, Pontiac's sleek entry into the muscle car era. It offered refined styling paired with strong performance. The Firebird stood out with its clean lines and distinctive look. It remains a respected classic. Next is a 1967 Pontiac Tempest convertible, capturing the relaxed cruising culture of the late 1960s. With the top down, it delivered style and comfort. This car represents a more laid-back side of performance-era design. It was built for enjoying the open road. The 1968 Shelby GT500 convertible raises the bar with bolder styling and increased performance. It reflects the height of the muscle car arms race. Every detail emphasizes power and attitude. This model remains an icon of late 1960s performance. This black 1969 Chevelle Malibu showcases clean lines and unmistakable muscle car presence. Known for its versatility, the Chevelle platform supported serious performance builds. Its aggressive look commands attention. It remains a favorite among enthusiasts. Finished in white, this 1969 Chevelle shows how color can completely change a car's personality. The same powerful platform takes on a cleaner, more refined appearance. It highlights the flexibility of classic muscle car design. Both versions are equally iconic. The 1969 Chevy Camaro appears next, one of the most beloved muscle cars ever built. Its aggressive stance and sharp body lines define late 1960s performance styling. The Camaro became a direct rival to the Mustang. It remains a show favorite. This 1969 Camaro RS with a 383 build blends classic looks with upgraded performance. It represents the creativity and passion behind custom muscle cars. Enhanced power gives it modern capability. Builds like this keep classic cars relevant. The 1969 Mustang Mach-1 stands out with bold graphics and performance-focused design. Built for speed and attitude, it became an instant icon. Hood scoops and aggressive styling set it apart. It perfectly captures late 1960s muscle culture. Next is the 1970 Chevy Z28 Camaro, a model rooted in racing heritage. Designed with performance in mind, it refined the Camaro formula. Its reputation was built both on the street and the track. It remains highly respected. This black 1971 Chevelle represents the final years of the classic muscle era. Its styling reflects the shift into the early 1970s. Performance was still strong, but changes were coming. It marks the end of an era. The 1971 Mercury Comet brings muscle car attitude into a compact platform. Smaller in size but full of potential, it offered performance in a lighter package. Often overlooked, it still holds strong appeal. It showcases variety within the muscle era. Next is a 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass, blending comfort with performance. Oldsmobile focused on refinement and smooth power delivery. The Cutlass became one of the brand's most successful models. It reflects a more upscale approach to muscle-era design. The 1973 Ford Maverick shows how compact cars adapted to changing times. With the right setup, Mavericks found a place in the performance scene. Its simple design made it versatile. It represents a shift in automotive priorities. We closed the lineup with a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am, an unmistakable icon of late-70s performance culture. Known for its bold styling and aggressive presence, it became a pop culture legend. The Trans Am defined an era. Its impact remains strong today. The final images capture the true atmosphere of the car show, where rows of classic cars and muscle machines come together in one shared space. From wide shots of the entire show to close-ups of individual details. Every angle reveals the care, craftsmanship, and pride behind each vehicle. This is where automotive history feels alive, surrounded by people who genuinely appreciate what these machines represent. Walking through the show, it becomes clear that these cars are more than metal and paint. Each one reflects countless hours of work, dedication, and personal connection from the owners who brought them here. Conversations naturally form as enthusiasts share stories, knowledge, and memories tied to the vehicles on display. the variety on display highlights how automotive design has evolved over the decades, from early hot rods and classic cruisers to high-performance muscle cars. Despite the differences in style and era, every vehicle shares a common bond rooted in creativity and passion. Car shows like this bring generations together, allowing traditions to be passed down and preserved. As the video comes to a close, these final shots capture the energy, creativity, and sense of community that define the car show experience. It's a celebration of design, performance, and the people who keep car culture thriving. Long after the show ends, the stories behind these vehicles continue to live on.